You helped me in my hard times. You gave me the best moments. You assured me that there is so much to see. By the passage of time, we will form new memories, but the old ones will remain dear to me. You are close to me, to my heart, to my life, and you will always be. You showed me the colors. You taught me how to dream. I love you. Thank you for staying with me. I never wish to spend a day without you. The way you touch me holds my breath. Listening to you is the best part of every conversation. You are so special. Why I shouldn't dream of you? I feel overwhelmed just because of you. You are beautiful. I know you. This is the best words to describe you. I'm just saying that I adore you. My life revolves around you. I always keep thinking about you. My thoughts are also deep when I know that my love is the same. It begins with you, my love. It ends on your name. My love for you is so pure. It has this magical allure. I will love you forever in time. I am so blessed that you are mine. I love you forever. The language of love can be known. The love that can be seen in the eyes. I knew that things would change. It would be a matter of time. I didn't know that I would fall so hard, fall for you and your love. I am in complete awe of you. Want to tell that my love is true. You are the best thing happened to me and my life, sweetheart. You are indeed special. Know that you are an important part. I love you. True love is not the matter of time. It is a thing of the heart and prime. You have captured my mind. You stay in my heart, my love. True love is all about the feeling, the compatibility that you have. A feeling of being so in love, a feeling of being so with time. True love is a feeling so good, the one that I feel with you. I wish that it stays with end of time. I wish this way touch wood. I love you so much, so passionate like our touch.